So you have this kind of bowl at home. Then you have a grater looking this clean at home. Then you have a beautiful knife. Then you have carrot in your fridge. You peel it. Wow. Then you have cooked beetroot. Come on. Then you now have mayonnaise. Hey! Let me tell you what to do. Then you begin to grate that carrot. Grate the carrot. It does not matter, even if it's not as fresh as what you are seeing inside this video, because this carrot that you are seeing here is more than 1 week. It's just lying down inside that my freezer. Anyway, we have eaten some. Grate it. Then after grating, you will just remove it in another bowl. Do you know why you have to remove it in another bowl? I will tell you later. Take it away from this bowl, because this big bowl that you are seeing that is brown, it is the center of the excellency. Then you take your grater, you begin to grate this cooked beetroot. Let me ask you, do you know the health benefits of beetroot? Have you tried it? If you have heart disease, high blood pressure, hey, try it. Cooked, raw, you can eat beetroot. And this is the season. Honestly speaking, this is the season. Then keep that in. Hey, we have finished blending. Did we? Guys, remove your handshoe. Is it handshoe? It's not handshoe. Your glove, remove it. Anyway, guys, when you are dealing with beetroot, make sure that you wear a hand glove, or else your hand will be red. Your fingernails will be red. Now add the water. Don't waste any of it. Then add your grated carrot back into the bowl where you have the beetroot. Make sure when you are doing this, you have a big bowl, okay, that you have enough space. Then you turn it. Then you mix it. Look at how pretty. This is pretty. As it's pretty, that is how it's delicious. This is salt. I'm sure you have salt at home. Then you sprinkle salt on it. This salt is mixed with herbs, so use the one that you have. And this is our mayonnaise. Now, you can use oil. You can use any sauce of your choice. This is all that I have at home. Then you begin to mixture it. Begin to mix it together for it to paramo, for it to become husband and wife. Do you understand? Guys, this is what is called natural food. If you ever taste salad like this, you will not eat green salad anymore. I know that all of you will say, hey, why is the color like this? The only thing that you know is green salad. Have you tried red salad? Red and yellow salad before? Okay, guys, you see this method that I'm doing now? You know that I'm a cook, so I'm just learning. Now I am going to serve it. I am going to serve this salad. After serving this salad in your household, if anybody refuses to eat this salad, please send it to my address. Send it to me, because that person does not want a good food. Because this salad is giving healthy life, long life, and prosperity. This is a salad that after eating it, you will thank God that you did. So guys, look at this beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to share. Thank you and bye.